Herbalife is very generous. Now, let's talk about the economy of the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, if you earn 50,000 pesos with 4 family members, 50,000 pesos, you are considered middle class.
Okay.
If you earn below this, below 50,000, you are with 4 family members, you're considered poor or broke. Now, what's the difference between poor and broke? Poor is eternity, broke is temporary.
If you have more than 4,
Family, 4 family members.
okay.
Below 50,000 is considered poor or broke.
Okay.
Now, if you earn 100,000 for with the same 4 family members, you will be considered upper middle class. Now, what's the difference? This category, we have housing. They have car loans. They can pay for car loans or housing loan. Now, for those who earn 150,000, they are considered rich. Rich, mayaman. Why? Now, 150,000 is only $3,000 in the US.
Okay.
Now, a lot of foreigners, they come to the Philippines because that $3,000 is already a big money here. Assuming they will settle in the rural areas, not in Manila, of course. No? But $3,000 or 150,000 pesos already a big amount. Now, $3,000 in the US is not enough. Now, in Herbalife, the first thing that you do is to sign up as a member. As you sign up, you are entitled with 25% discount. Assuming your 25% discount, this one can is around 2,000 pesos.
Okay.
Now, how much will you save from 2 of these? 2,000 times 2. Wala na ano? Yung ano? Marker?
Different type of that.
Saan tayo makabili ng ganyan? Yung matataba? Marami.
National ma'am. DIY meron ma'am. Permanent mic marker mo kailangan niya.
Ito.
Ratio lang kailangan natin.
Pag matabang pera, matamba rin yung ano, pag mapapayat.
2 cans, 2,000 times 2 is 4,000. 2 cans of this. Now, if you buy at 25% discount, how much did you save?
1,000.
1,000. Now,
Is that what is the price of that one?
2,186.
Okay.
Now, there is a next discount. It's 35%. 35% of this 4,000 is
1,400.
4. There is another discount. This is 42%. 42% of that one is 1,680.
80.
There is another discount. It's 50%
50%.
discount.
Okay, di ba meron?
50% of
2,000.
4,000 is 2,000. Now, this is your discount. Now, when you sell this,
After 35 is 42?
okay, 42%.
Okay.
This triangle.
Okay, yeah.
If you sell 2 of this, now, if you sell to 10 people, 10 times 1,000,
10,000.
10,000. You know what? what? This is easy to sell. No? Now, if you are 42%, this one is 14,000. If you sell at 42, this one is 16,800. If you sell at 50%, this one is 20,000. Now I'm talking about part-time selling only. Part-time. Now, mostly housewives do this one. These housewives, they want to make extra money. They are prone to being vegetarians. Okay? Now, this amount can help a lot with groceries, with mambaon for kids, mambaon allowance for kids, and this one is already a salary for an employee, isn't it? This one is a salary for supervisor. This one is a salary for manager, isn't it? For a starting manager, this one. Now, if you do this one is your part-time, this one is easy to earn. Now, we call this area of income in Herbalife as, we call this area as retail. The first area of income is retail.
Malabo kasi.
Retail or tingi.
Sa kaliwa ni
Now,
Sa kaliwa ni George. Okay yan.
there is another area of income. It's called wholesale. On top of your retailing, you can sponsor people. You can sponsor as many as you can. No problem. You will also start at 25% discount. And there's it. You can sponsor as many as you can. Now, if you are at 25, they are 25, you have zero income, isn't it? Now, you have to operate at higher discount. 35, you have 10% income as wholesale. 42, you have 17% wholesale. 50, of course, you have 25% wholesale. Now, this one, all these persons under this one are not your recruits. You didn't work for these people. What you do,
You sold to them.
it's your right. See? Now, if you do your Herbalife business or this Herbalife career, you do your best, you're going to be this one. It won't take time for you to be 50% or supervisor. When you are supervisor, this one, if you are here and your recruit is here 50%, you have a zero wholesale, isn't it? Now, what Herbalife does is, Herbalife will give you royalty. Royalty is the secret of the rich people, no? They enjoy sleeping, they enjoy going to different places, they enjoy being on vacation, they enjoy having parties because they earn royalty. Royalty is the secret of the rich. This one in Herbalife, it's called the money that will buy your dreams. The money that will buy your long-term goals. Your dream house, your dream car. Every business has this only. Assuming this is a traditional business, like this surroundings, the business around us. Like my construction business. When I close, because I only earn from this, I don't have money. If you have space there in the market, those selling pork and everything, they close the store, you think they have money? None. But in Herbalife, because you have this one, you have this one, soon, we have of this hayahay. What's that in English? Hayahay. Relax.
Get peace of mind.
Travel, dream travel, business class, five-star hotel. Our leaders don't settle for anything less. I see their lifestyle. Even a businessman here cannot afford their lifestyle. He cannot afford their lifestyle. Because these businessmen here, when they go out, because their business will not make that much money, because they're far away, the mouse will play. Of course, they will not have that same income or profit like me. See, if I close my construction, I will not have, because I don't have this. Now, royalty is up to the third level. 50%, 50%, up to the third level, you will be given 5% royalty. 5%, 5%, 5%, up to the third level only. But now what happens? The third level supervisor is going to expand, you go deeper, even wider, and even multiply. Some people I do not know, I earn from them. Wholesale royalty and bonus. Now your royalty stops the third level. What Herbalife does is it gives you monthly bonus. Now your bonus is World Team has 1% bonus, Get Team has 2% bonus, Meal Team has 4% bonus, Press Team has 6% bonus. Now, 5% plus 1%, the World Team will have 6%. Royalty plus bonus up to the third level. And 1% infinity. No? We did not know these people, we did not recruit them, we did not talk to them, but you earn from them. You're going to build an empire. And in Herbalife, you do not need people to pay their salary. No, you're not paying salary here. See these people, they're having workshops, so they will be spread, they will have their own places, they like this. This one is a show. No. They will have their own networker, their own places, their own income, their own. See, and I'm not paying them. See, in business, you're going to pay everyone. They will be entitled to lots of benefits. See? And from that, you cannot leave them because traditional business has a huge amount of capital. And Herbalife, we are in 98 countries. If you have a traditional business, can I expand to 98 countries? Can I bring my construction there? Can I bring my warehouse there? In other countries, no. It takes a lot of expenses, it takes a lot of capital, it takes a lot of guts to bring your business internationally. See? But in Herbalife, because Herbalife has all the company assistant and all the processes, Herbalife already have the system. Just follow the system. Just follow the system and you'll arrive. See? This company is this thing that they say you can use other people's money, other people's time, use other people's skills. Because my uplines when I say, I need your help, they will not. Without paying them, without giving them anything. But when you talk to an entrepreneur who has skills, of course you're going to pay them. You're going to give time. You're going to give them things that you cannot. Sometimes you cannot afford. See, trainings are very expensive. But trainings in Herbalife, they are not expensive. Even trainings abroad. Now, royalty, bonus. See, this one will give you what you want in life. See? Now, Get Team 7%. 7% and 2% infinity. This has no limit. Meal tip is 4% plus 5 is 9%. I'll give you an example. No? I'm here and I sell every month $5,500. That's how much in pesos. That's around 300,000. And my upline will earn from me 5%, 6% of that. How much is that? See? They earn from me without doing anything. Up to the third level. No, press team 4% for meal team infinity. The press team has 6%, 11%. You see? Oh, 11%. 11% of 300,000 my sales. That's 33,000, isn't it? 33,000. My press team earns from me. So 11% and 6% infinity. I'll give you an example. Who is the highest paid employee in the Philippines? The highest paid employee is paid the aeronautics specialists. They are paid, I think, 187 a month. But of course, with lots of deductions. The surgeons, the specialists, they earn less than of that. And how much this one earns? World team earns from 80 to 100,000 a month. Get team earns from 100 to 300,000 a month. Meal team is 500 to 800. This one meal team, press team, they earn minimum 800,000, depending on the size of their organization. Now, which of these discounts do you want? 50%. 50% because same effort, bigger earning. But how do you go to these things? How now? In tissue. Never in tissue. Kasi ano?
Kasi yung, gawin niya na ako.
Si Mama, Mama Lee.
Hindi, ano ginagawa ko?
Ma. You need membership. Now, when you buy, you're entitled right away with 25% discount. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. The next is 35%. This one is 500 volume points. Volume points is the unit of Herbalife products. Because Herbalife is in 98 countries, this is $500 or 30,500 pesos. Next is 42%. 42% is 1,000 volume points or $1,000 or 56,000 pesos. Your income for this is around 12,000. Your income for this is around 30,000.
42%, how many volume points?
1,000.
Okay.
You know what? This one is the best offer. Most of my clients buy at this discount.
But 50%, how
It's
many volume
almost 50%.
50%, how many volume points?
50% is
56, 100.
50% is 2,000 volume points. But this one is only for the Philippines. Before it was $4,000. They fast track the production of supervisors, they have this. Now, $2,000 only, but only in the Philippines.
Ano? 2,000 volume points.
Yes, 2,000 volume points or 2,000 or 100.
12,000
Yeah, that's around
Peso.
1,000
pesos.
pesos. Yes. Now, how do you do supervisor?
Inviters, brother, and
You can, this one is you. Oh, let's talk about Ma'am Malu.
Mama Lou,
Wow.
and George.
And this is you. This is her friend. This is George. And Sir George is going to refer another one. Friend. This is a friend. Now, Mama Lou. Sir George has already 500 volume points. Now she got another 500 volume points from the Pelayo family. She already has 1,000. Now, if a friend from Sir George purchases 500 volume points, but now Ma'am Malu, without any purchasing anything, she's already entitled to 42%. She's already here without purchasing a single product. Because of this. This one and this one. This one, 1,000. This one, 1,000. Now, up to September 30, if someone purchases another 500 volume points, Ma'am Malu is going to be supervisor this September.
Supervisor.
Without, in only 2 months, if you do supervisor,
You go to Singapore at 50% pa?
yes,
Oo.
in 2 months, if you do supervisor, you're allowed not to purchase anything. But if you exceed 2 months, you're going to make 1,000 volume points. You're going to make yourself, not other people, your own ID. But in 2 months, if you can do this one,
Without
purchase.
you know, chase.
Yes, 2 months.
She
She will be supervisor without anything, any purchase.
Wow.
Wala pa akong pumunta.
See, the marketing plan is this one. Will cause you to be rich. You want to be rich? You master this one. You hold this one. They say sometimes, experts say, people, no matter how you present the products, they are not excited. They are not hooked. But when they see you draw circles, squares, triangles, and everything, they are beginning to be intrigued. Oh, how is that? They will be interested. That's the marketing plan. And Herbalife has 73% payout for these people. BP. 73% income payout. If you're consistent, if you're passionate, if you do not give up, if you do not quit, this one is doable, achievable. See? If you have this 10 lines of this, 10. The press teams, I was telling a while ago, if they have 11% of my income, 10 of 33,000, 10 is 330,000 just for this. Without this one here, without this one. Only 10. 10 of like me. 10 look alike. Without combing the hair, without maganda. See? And undistracted. Actually, see? Just do your best, and you'll attract people who will be like you. Crazy. That's the business.
Good way.
Huh?
In a good way.
Herbalife people are the craziest people alive. Crazy to make money, crazy to achieve things,
Kaya,
crazy to live their best life. Mark said, Herbalife people are the craziest people in the world. If you want to grow, you must master this one. When I go to places and I present this one for our events, and I invite people, even if they are in Herbalife and they see this one and this was not explained to them, they will transfer you. Why did not my sponsor not explain? I'm only here and there's more and more and more and more and more and more. There's more here. But for now, we're not going to talk about it. There's even higher earning. See?
press.
Not a master key. Do it and make it and you are building an empire. When Herbalife is a legacy, going to be your children inherit the business. When you are a press team, they will not start at the lower. They will when you are old and you say I'm going to retire and let my children inherit. They will start where you are. They are the CEO, child of honor.
Has that.
Yes. Hereditaria.
Ears.
Heirs. O, hindi mo narinig mami yung sinabi ko. See? When we go to trainings abroad, we do not go to the toilet.
You don't look prepared?
Well, we have our headset and
So,
you like crazy because you want to hear it one and you go to the toilet,
You're
the nearest toilet. But in Singapore, they're very strict. I want to go to the toilet of male. Hey, you're not a male. And just use this one, the disabled toilet,
Yeah.
and just walk this way. No, I'm not disabled. I won't do that. You master this one.
Alright.
Mom, I got crazy already copying your scribbles. It's adding my brain.
Today, I will keep coming maybe
Trying
one
like
time.
that. Oh,
At least one time every
Sir,
week.
you think you can do this?
Yes.
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 This is easy.
This
But
is
you need to
good.
go to the training tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Tomorrow is Saturday. We're going to Antipolo. It doesn't, place is like this. This one. You're going to eat some of their menu and we're going to
At what time?
just try to analyze what is this compared to us, but it's not
Yeah, you
compared,
better
but it's going to
attend.
analyze
Attend
this.
ka pag nag-attend ka, babalik-balik ka talaga.
You will never do the same again.
Ako hindi pa nagpapaliwanag yan. Kasi nakita nila.
Mom, nag-join na.
One time, sir.
Ng marketing plan na ngayon lang.
Kasi ako, hindi rin nalulupagin nila maganda.
After one,
After one, then I go to from here to Kaintai to the we have a private school that's not from 3 to 6.
sis, I want you to see the bigger picture, the other people, how they look like, their lifestyle. I want you to see their lifestyle. It's nothing, my life is nothing compared to their lifestyle. They look good,
Gaya ng
they
baon
look,
na.
they smell good, they feel relaxed, they look relaxed.
How do I
Sir, balik after
I finish at what time? 10 to when?
Ito na.
10 to what time?
That's actually that is 1 to 5. That's just here at Antipolo at Ikling, yeah. Go straight there and yes, Antipolo.
Hindi lang ito kaya ang patabali.
How do I get the direction? The direction.
Okay, matanda.
Wait.
I want to try to see whether I can make it. How do I get the
But
way?
sir, don't do
Madulas.
it. Because
Kasi wala namang muscle.
yes, I'll send you, sir.
Send me?
Yes.
Nobody
training thing.
Okay.
And for us, training is more important than
I used to
money.
attend training, you stay here. With
Ah.
my,
That, before she doesn't want to go to trainings. I told her, go with me. And when she attended
Terror
one of the
online.
first attendance in training, she cried. Oh my God.
Sir George, she's a terror, I'm a terrorist.